4 minutes left.
Kaya nata, paano? Ang pala sa mobile. Kasi ako ba yun? Kamot sa mong busy nga. Tabalong skin na lugar natin. Baho, bigas. Ay, good.
Mind test. Sound check. Mind test 1, 2. Mind check. Mind check. Check mind. Fear. 5 by 5.
Ilag sa ngayon na yung pa.
Nga, patuloy kung ito kaniro.
Dapat.
May kaso na yan. Dapat ako lang gumiyo.
Kasi pala mayor. Iyan ko na. Tapos na ito parang i-less ka para
Teaser na ano pa doon eh.
t-shirt na.
Sabi, recreation na.
Amoy natin sinasabi. Eh, paano? Kapatong recaltic pa na eh. Recaltic pa rin ako. Ipapak lang yun. Kamay isa ka.
Standard yun. Pero may standard daw. Kumambay ka.
Ang microphone stand sa sir.
Microphone stand.
Ito wala. May kayo mga ito niyo. Dapat niya.
Mention ko sana, sa nag-steam ko, mention tayo. Kapag nag-steam ko, pero okay, artistic ka pa sila. Sashimi ko na first. Tsaka din.
Beauty and style, elegance and grace, pride and legacy, nature and empowerment. From the 33 barangays and 18 island communities of Carles, home to more than 80,000 Carlesanos, rise 9 remarkable ladies, each carrying the beauty, culture, strength, and spirit of their communities. Today, they blossom with confidence and purpose as they gracefully vie for one crown, one title, and one legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, proud families, supporters, and our beautiful official candidates, welcome to the Linay San Carles 2026 Session and Contract Signing Ceremony. This is an historical milestone that we celebrate the first ever Linay San Carles, a groundbreaking celebration of beauty, culture, leadership, and the empowered spirit of every Carlesanan woman. As part of the Dinuguio sa Kadagatan Festival 2026, this first ever Linay San Carles symbolizes unity, empowerment, and a new tradition that future generations of Carlesanos will surely remember and celebrate. To formally start, May I request everyone to stand for an opening prayer followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and Carles hymn. Let us dispose ourselves in the presence of God. Dear Almighty God, we worship and we glorify you. As we grace and savor this momentous event, may we all embrace gratitude and goodness. Bless this event and the people behind this celebration. Through your glory we pray. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem and Carles hymn respectively.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
At this point, let us hear a message of support from our Honorable Merly Tupas, SB member, Chair, Committee on Tourism.
Good afternoon, everyone. To each and everyone, first of all, our greetings and gratitude, most especially to our Honorable Mayor, Arnold Bikita II for the leadership sa pagpamuna sa aton nga banwa, sa paghatag, sa kahigayunan, sa tagsa-tagsa sa aton, para mahiwag naton on his term. This is the first term of our Honorable Mayor sa paghiwat ng ating Hinugyaw Festival. So, a round of applause sa ating pinalanggang Mayor, sa inyong liderato, and of course, sa paghatag sa oportunidad sa tagsa-tagsa sa aton linay o Carles. No? Salamat man sa aton nga mga municipal officials, no, nag-upugit sa ating pinalanggang Mayor, under the Legislative Department, our Honorable Presiding Officer, Honorable Earl Patrick Pitita, no, sa iyang leadership sa aton, sa Sangguniang Bayan. So, here with us, ang aton nga mga kaupod nga mga SB member, Honorable Martino, Jasper Martino Elbas, and Honorable Cherry Villanueva. So the rest are very busy man sa ilang mga social function sa mga kabaranggayan natin. Of course, no, she deserved, no, an appreciation and recognition, no. Ang aton nga committee chair sa Linay, sa Carles, no, headed by Ma'am Open Hakar, no, sa ating mga organizers, to the proud parents, sa ating mga teachers from the different school in the municipality of Carles, to the handlers, no? Proud parents, and of course, the supporters, mayong hapon din sa tanan. So this is a big opportunity to each Linay of Carles, no? Given the stage, no, magpasandayag not only their beauty, but also confidence, the talent, and of course, the wisdom. No? So, the upcoming search for Linay of Carles is the most exciting, no? Ang hulat sa tanan, no? Kag, of course, ginapasalamatan din natin ang tanan-tanan na nagpatigayon sini. To the 9 lovely women out there. So, sa anak si Bang, recite na nalita ka makita natin, no? So, continue to shine, no? Carleseños are waiting, no, to shine, no, ang ating mga 9 lovely candidates, no. So, as support, no, under the leadership sa ating pinagag, Mayor Honorable Arnold Bikita, no, not only sa kanan mga activities dito sa Banwa sa Carles sa pagpatigayon natin sa Hinugyaw Festival, but of course, really did sa search for Linay of Carles, no? So we, the municipal officials, with our warmest wishes and support, no, would like to extend our wholehearted support sa tanan naton nga mga Linay candidates, no, sa aton nga masalangan, even at time, no, moral support, and of course sa aton nga masalangan extend natin sa mga ating support. So sa tanan-tanan ali diri subong ginabili namon ang mga commitment, no, mag-extend sa mga suporta. And of course, we are ginatag-awin naton nga ini nga activity will be a success. No? So, sa aton nga paghatag sa aton nga support sa banyo sa finance, yung kabalo naman ang tanan nga we approve the budget, no, sa aton nga local government unit of Carles, no, para makasupport kita sa Hilugyaw Festival. And it's up to the organizer kung paano nila pahaton pinaka-budget, no, para matakigayon lang natin. But of course, no, from the very start na gitlanuhan ini, we are here, no, to commit our support. So, lastly, to our 9 lovely candidates, no? So, ginaton mo kung sinugin ang mga ginalaton to represent Carles, not only as the eye of Carles, but to represent, no, as the ambassadress of goodwill and a role model to every women of Carles. So, good luck to each of you, and mabuhay ang aton Team-I of Carles. Salamat.
Thank you very much, Honorable Merly Tupas. To inspire our candidates as they begin their journey in the inaugural Lin-Ay San Carles, let us welcome our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Arnold Van Vitida II.
Thank you again, no? I'm blessed. Ngayong hapon, sa tanan, sa Secretary Subo, nga nagtampong, suporta sa aton nga sashi ng official candidates sa aton Lin-Ay San Carles 2026. From the start, sa sining activity, sa planning, I have been on hand, no, sining activity because sa nakita ko rin sa muna, no, malamo na iba ng banwa, mayroon sila, no, sa Lin-Ay sa ilang banwa. So aton diri, I believe ang aton pinakalas nga budget is 2019. No, so that's before COVID. No, pagkatapos COVID, no, wala na kita. No, iba niya sige-sige. No? So, starting with this administration, together with the legislative, consisting a third ng mga vice mayor and SB members, no? We have planned na we will be in action, no? Put man sa mga ibang banwa na mayroon man kita sa Lin-Ay San Carles. So, alin sa umpisa, nang recruit pa ganin kami. Isa kami sa recruiter sini. Nagapag-ingat niyo na mag-intra. Hasta sa screening and subong alin sa pagka-meetings and sa subong asashing. I was there all along because ini isa ka para sa akon, isa ka important activity para sa itong Hinugyaw third Hinugyaw 20 Hinugyaw Festival no 2026 because sa number ka na sa ila naintindihan kung ikaw first no? First Lin-Ay there will be in the future no? Second Lin-Ay San Carles, third Lin-Ay San Carles, as that so on and so forth, pero the first is always the history and a memorable one. No? So, ginabalan ko nga itong mga candidates no? To be ready and show their best. No? And I would like no, to congratulate and to commend ang atong Lin-Ay committees. Lin-Ay committees again, no? Headed by our MDRMO, Mabubi Pakar, no? And others, no? Sir Narol, tanan no nga nag-interest in me because sa meeting pala I was very excited, no, kay disclose mo nila ang plans, ang lubraho nila to make this pageant very memorable. Ginambalangin sila, no, our task is not to decide who will be the winner. No, that's the judge's job. But our job is to make the people looking forward, the people who will attend, the people who will watch the pageant winners. We will show them, we will give them a good show, that whoever wins, importante, daog sila sa pagsuporta sa ilaman mga kandidata. And I call on, sa aton mga supporters, kasi may mga may mga establishments, I call on you. Our candidates needs you. We have our support from the LGU, but again, if there is may mga supporters kita na willing to support each and every candidate, that is on 9 candidates. So I hope after this, pagkatapos silang declare as official candidates, subong na hapon, we will call on other supporters to support either, kung gusto mo na sa kanila supportaran. And I think, again, gusto ko pasalamatan ang atong mga kamagtanan sa panggoberno, as SB Marley Maldovo said, the budget was for the calendar year sa atong Banwa was already approved by the Sangguniang Bayan. Isa ina ang budget sa Minugyaw Festival, and siguro we will also again ask for the help and support of the legislative department, because sa first meeting ko lang naman daw kapos gid. So we have to realign, reprogram other budgets para matapos na lang ang Hinugyaw Festival that will be starting July 1 to July 5. Hindi na ko sa ibang activities because now is Linay San Carlos ang aton nga ginahiwat subong nga hapon. Again, sa aton legislative department, headed sa Vice Mayor Earl Patrick Petita, rin subong ang mga SB members na ito, SB Merly Bando Tupas, SB Reggie Ann Ibanez, SB Josebong Miani, SB Cherry Nick Belneba, Rigid, ay ka gusto mo na SB, ano nga din, SB Jasper Martino Elbas, mayari sa Mr. Carles Tanibi, di man si SB, SB Leonard Tata Benel, SB Marlo Ino Lopez, SB Tony Raul Vidita, Opus ex-officio members, SB Kapitan Rowena Biscoto, and our SK Federated ex-officio member, also SB member Rica Medin. So again, madamong Islam. We will look forward sa aton first Linay San Carlos, who will be again our representative, who will represent our town, kung ano ka anyag, ano ka Pasko, ano ka resilient ang atong Banwa, that will be represented sa aton madaog Linay San Carlos, and hopefully after this we go to higher pageant, Linay Solito, and so on and so forth. So again, thank you very much for coming sa atong mga supporters. Good luck sa inyo, and let's keep on supporting our candidates. Madamong salamat sa inyo.
Yes, that was our Honorable Mayor Arnold Tan Benitez II. Thank you, Mayor, for your message or for really being hands-on sa sininga event at sa pagsuporta sa ato ng committee para mapaligayon ang success sa sininga event. So, while nag-prepare ang ato ng candidates for their sashing and signing of contract, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our two SB members who are also here, Honorable Cherry Mikmik Villanueva and Honorable Jasper Martino Elvas. Thank you very much for coming. We also would like to thank Mr. Marvin Baclason for sponsoring today's event sa ilang attire, sa ilang casual wear. So thank you very much, Sir Marvin Baclason. And of course, sa ato nga Carles, the best PR team, and we are live via Radyo Limbook Facebook page. And now, we witness another meaningful milestone in history as we officially present the pioneering candidates of the very first Lian Stambalas 2026. These remarkable young women will become the first ambassadors to carry the name, the pride, and legacy of Lian Stambalas. As the first official candidates, today's agreement signing represents their commitment to uphold the values, responsibilities, and honor that come with becoming part of this historic legacy. May we request Mayor Arnold Tan Benitez II to sign on behalf of the municipality. Mayor, please take a seat in this assigned table.
In signing contracts, no, I was just to clear, this is not in behalf of the municipality. Because if I sign on behalf of the municipality, I need SB resolution. This is a contract with the committee only, with the candidates, no? Not with the municipality. No? That's one clear. Thank you.
Ladies, are you ready? Starting with candidate number 1. She represents Barangay Lantaman and currently on her third year, Bachelor of Elementary Education student with a passion for reading and exercise. Actively volunteers with the ISU College Red Cross Youth and Iloilo Red Cross Youth. Beyond academics and service, she enjoys singing and dancing, showcasing her vibrant and passionate personality.
Welcome to college where paradise begins. I say coconut, gigante, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, we're dancing to the breeze. Island hopping, feel pure joy. Some fools will come and come, my soul is. I think I'm stopping, got feel the ocean breeze. Touch yoga, my soul, chill and neat. Picture book smiling, everything feels right. Antonia Beach, shining under golden light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist. Come as you come, be the first on the list. Basta College is the best. Where the ocean feels cold and the sun can't rest. Basta College is the best. Once you see the
Good afternoon, everyone. and to our Honorable Mayor and Vice Mayor. I am Jonica Juarez Ruiz, your Linay San Carlos 2026 candidate number 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was candidate number 1, Janica J. Ruiz.
Gently by the gale, fresh skies like a beam, went to west away, sunset colors, same skies on the way.
Once again, candidate number 1, Janica J. Ruiz. Number 2, from Barangay Bitoon. Our next candidate is a second-year Bachelor of Science in Nursing student at Quinlan University of Iloilo. An African-American Filipina raised amidst the beauty of our island. She is a young dreamer who values nature stewardship and youth empowerment. She actively advocates for the arts organization and Sagisi Youth for Paandang Sang Kabataan o CARDES. Aside from her studies and advocacy work, she works part-time as a model and female promoter in the nightlife industry and Iloilo City.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Johnson Jada Marie Francisco, an official candidate of Linay of Carles 2026. Candidate number 2.
Always wins. White sand calling, we're dancing to the breeze. Island hopping, feel good joy and ease. Some fools will come and come fresh from the list. Sakay sa sabagay, feel the ocean breeze. Gabagaw yung may sobrang chill and ease. Fish and folks smiling, everything feels right. I'm going out here straight under the light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist. Come let me go, be the first on the list. Basta Carles, the best. When the ocean feels the once you see the island, you'll never forget.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was candidate number 2, Jada Johnson. And now candidate number 3. She is a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management who enjoys meeting new people, exploring new experiences, and expressing herself with confidence and creativity. Friendly and approachable, she values spending meaningful time with her family and friends. Passionate about tourism and culture, she believes that every person has a story worth sharing and that every experience brings lessons that inspire growth and understanding.
Adventure always wins. White sand calling, we're dancing to the breeze. Island hopping, feel good joy and ease. Some fools will go and come first on the list. Sakay na sabagay, feel the ocean breeze. Go, go, gamay, sobrang chill and ease.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Charmy Faith Gilligan Pahatag, 19. Your official candidates, Sanglin I Sangkarles, 2026, candidate number 3.
From the shores of Gigantes, rising in the sun, Carles, you know where the adventures have begun. Welcome to Carles, where paradise begins. Así Coconut Gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, we're dancing through the breeze. Island hopping, feel beautiful and ease.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was candidate number 3, rather, Charmy Faith Oda.
Everything feels right. Antonia Beach, shining under the light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist.
Our next candidate represents Barangay Baluspos. She is currently a second-year Bachelor of Science in Biology student. Warm, lively, and socially friendly, she loves making every moment fun and meaningful. When she's not exploring the wonders of science, she enjoys singing and dancing to spread joy and positivity to everyone around her. Full of energy, kindness, and happiness, she is truly ready to light up the stage.
Welcome to Carles, where paradise begins. Así Coconut Gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, we're dancing through the breeze. Island hopping, feel pure joy and ease. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang first on the list. Sakay na sa bangka, feel the ocean breeze. Gabog-gabog gamay, sobrang chill and ease. Fish and boat smiling, everything feels right. Antonia Beach, shining under the light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist. Come let me go, get the first on the list. Basta Carles.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kissing Nicole Catalan Atenas, 20, Yurlin I Sangkarles, 2026, candidate number 4. From the shores of Gigantes, rising in the sun, Carles, you know where adventures have begun.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was candidate number 4, Kissing Old Sea at the Net.
White sand calling, we're dancing through the breeze. Islands hopping, feel pure joy and ease. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang first on the list. Sakay na sa bangka, feel the ocean breeze.
Our next candidate is from Barangay Kawayan. She is a first-year incoming second-year college student at John D. Lacson Foundation, Maritime University. She describes herself as simple, kind, and hard-working young woman who enjoys learning new things, spending quality time with family and friends, and striving to achieve her goals and dreams. With a positive outlook in life, she always does her best in everything she pursues.
Adventures have begun. Welcome to Paris, where paradise begins. I say, coconut gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, waves dancing through the breeze. Island hopping, feel pure joy and ease. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang first on the list. Sa kaya sabang ka, feel the ocean breeze. Gabong-gaw gamay, sobrang chill and peace. Fish and folks smiling, everything feels right. Antonia Beach, shining under golden light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist. Come as you go, be the first on the list. Basta Cales, the best. Where the ocean feels like home and the soul can rest. Basta Cales.
Mabuhay! I am Cassie Albababa, Yulin I sa Carles 2026, candidate number 5.
From the shores of Gigantes, rising in the sun, Carles, you know where adventures have begun. Welcome to Carles, where paradise begins. I say, coconut,
That was candidate number 5, Katie A. Bob.
waves dancing through the breeze. Island hopping, feel pure joy and ease. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang first on the list. Sa kaya sabang ka, feel the ocean breeze. Gabong-gaw gamay, sobrang chill and peace.
Our candidate number 6 is from Barangay Gamas. She is a first-year tourism student at Finland University of Petersburg. As the eldest among 3 siblings, she takes pride in being responsible, hardworking, and family-oriented. She also enjoys expressing herself through dancing and drawing, showcasing both creativity and passion. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 6.
Rising in the sun, Carles, you know where adventures have begun. Welcome to Carles, where paradise begins. I say, coconut gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, waves dancing through the breeze.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Alison Garces, 19, your official candidate of Linet Carles 2026. Candidate number 6.
From the shores of Gigantes, rising in the sun, Carles, you know where adventures have begun. Welcome to Carles, where paradise begins. I say, coconut gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, waves dancing through the breeze. Island
Ladies and gentlemen, yellow candidate number 6, Alison Garces. Our next candidate is from Barangay Itigan. She is currently taking up a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. A passionate young woman who loves to dance, she believes that it is possible to stay responsible while still pursuing one's dreams. As she continues her journey in academics, on-the-job training, and pageantry, she stands before us with pride, confidence, grace, and a heart ready to represent the vibrant spirit of our municipality.
Welcome to Paris, where paradise begins. Así cogen gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling, we're dancing to the breeze. Island hopping, feel pure joy and ease. So puso ko ikaw first on the list. Sakay na sa bangka, feel the ocean breeze. To double down your mind, so chill and ease. Fisher folks smiling, everything feels right. Antonia Beach shining under the light. Every corner tells a story you can't read.
Mabuhay! I am Lorea Rose Vicente Segura, your Linay San Carlos 2026 candidate number 7.
College student. She describes herself as a funny person who loves making everyone laugh. Though a bit shy at times, she's simple, hardworking, and always eager to learn new things. With her cheerful personality and positive spirit, she brings joy and authenticity wherever she goes.
I am Princess Satilian, your Linay San Carlos candidate number 8.
Our last candidate is from Barangay Pantalan. She is currently in her second year of Bachelor of Physical Education. A determined and independent young woman, she grew up on an island where access to education was ineligible. Through hard work and perseverance, she supported her studies by working as a mentor during weekends. Today, she continues to pursue her dreams on the mainland, embodying resilience, courage, and dedication.
Welcome to Paris,
our Buena de Magos, Yulin Isa Carles, candidate number 9.
Everything feels right. Antonia Beach, shining under the light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist. Come and be gone, you're the first on the list. Basta Carles, where the ocean feels like home and the sun can rest. Basta Carles, once you see the end, you'll never forget. Oh,
That was for candidate number 9, Melka C. Tamagos.
With its crystal blue hills and beaches waiting just for you. He's got this perfect, he got this crystal brim.
And now let us request all our 9 candidates to be on front.
From the shores of Picalis, rising in the sun, Carles Iloilo, where adventures have begun. Welcome to Carles, where paradise begins. Así coconut, gigantes, the adventure always wins. White sand calling,
Thank you very much to these beautiful souls for taking the challenge to become our ambassadors for our municipality.
the ocean breeze. Double yoga, my soul and chill and peace. Fishing folks smiling, everything feels right. Antonia Beach, shining under the light. Every corner tells a story you can't resist. Come and be gone, you're the first on the list. Basta Carles, where the ocean feels like home and the sun can rest. Basta Carles. Once you see the end, you'll never forget. Oh, Carles, the best. We go on island gone with its crystal blue hills and beaches waiting just for you. We got this.
Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much, Mayor Arnold, for the sachet and for signing the agreement. Thank you very much, ladies. You may now go backstage. You may now see it. The seats provided for you.
Fresh outside the beach, went to Oyster Bay, sunset, college days, on the way.
This afternoon, witnessed a ceremony. We witnessed history. To give the closing remarks, let us hear from Mr. Naro Castellano, our pageant director.
Good afternoon, everyone. We would like to acknowledge first the presence of Honorable Mayor Arnold Quintita II and to the rest of the members of Sangguniang Bayan members, SB Martino Jasper Elbas, SB Mario Lopez, SB Marito Paz, and SB Cherry Villanueva. At sa tandaan yung mga parents, supporters, and to those who love pageantry, it's history in the making, as we are always saying. It's first time in Carles that we have in Isa Carles 2026. Palakpakan at kaliwa, trailblazers, those people behind this, the local government of Carles. So this afternoon, we have witnessed a meaningful milestone in the journey of our Isa Carles 2026 candidates. The sachet and agreement signing symbolizes not only their commitment to the pageant, but also their dedication to represent the pride, beauty, and values of Carcelia. On behalf of the local government unit, under the committee on Isang Carles, led by Ma'am Pupi Pakar, and the rest of the team, and Honorable Mayor Arnold Biquita II, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who joined us in this celebration of unity and culture. Let us continue to support our candidates as they embark on this inspiring journey, carrying with them the hopes and spirit of our beloved town. May this event reminds us that Lin-Ay San Carles is more than a competition. It is a celebration of our heritage, our people, and our future. Thank you and see you in the next chapter of Lin-Ay San Carles 2026. Madam, salamat.
Thank you very much, Sir Narol. As we end our activity for this afternoon, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of our SB member, Honorable Marlo Lopez. Thank you very much for coming. And again, we would like to thank Mr. Marvin Baclason and his team for putting up the attire and for sponsoring the attire of our ladies for this event. Also to Carles the Best PR team and Radyo Timbuok. And congratulations as well to the committee for Lin-Ay San Carles 2026 with Mr. Narol, Ma'am Bupi, Sir Iljan Derek Manikan, of course our very own crown maker, Mr. Michael Angelo Bitita, Mrs. Anna May Gadayan, Ms. Hanilu Talidano, and yours truly. The first ever Lin-Ay San Carles has officially begun, and with it comes a new tradition that celebrates the beauty, strength, intelligence, and pride of every Carlesano. To all our candidates, thank you for bravely becoming the pioneers of this meaningful journey. May you continue to inspire others as you carry the banner of Lin-Ay San Carles 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, this ends our program for this afternoon. See you on July 2026 for the search for Lin-Ay San Carles 2026. Good afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the day.